Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to our channel. Guys, we are here again today with another banger. Yes. And in today's video we are going to be eating fufu and egusi soup. So this is going to be a challenge, and it's going to be a big bites challenge. So guys, if this is your first time stopping by on our channel, please don't forget to hit the red button that says subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, and give this video a thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, let's dive right in.
You want to prepare with me, right?
Let me drink water. Hey.
What's up, man?
Seriously? See big bite though.
Guys, see big bite. I was just in a draw soup, man.
Be careful now.
This is challenge.
Me, I'm not good in taking big bites when it comes to swallow. Don't worry. Seriously?
This life, I can't kill myself. And I eat, leave me alone. Focus on the task at hand. Stop looking at me.
How is it even passing your throat?
I'm a man. What is going on in your throat?
I'm eating it now.
You want to try me now?
Fine, you won. I
didn't drink water.
Me, I drank water. I can't come and kill myself. Guys, I can't come and kill myself.
Wow.
I'm taking big bites now.
No, that is big bite. This is big bite.
This is big bites. This is big bites for me, guys.
To compare me with food.
Fine, you won.
No, we men, we don't carry last. We always come out on the first class, you know, on the grand style, you know.
I can't come and kill myself.
That one I lazy matter.
Meanwhile, this egusi is very delicious.
Wow.
Taking big bites. Why am I even still taking big bites?
I'm still taking big bite. That ant bite. On our next challenge, we finish first, go for the other one. I believe that.
Ant bite.
You will focus. This is ant bite.
Guys, how is this ant bite? Food here. Ant bite.
This is ant. Let me show you big bite.
No. Why are you showing me?
See this?
Oh!
That is big bite.
How did it pass your throat?
Why would it pass my throat?
I'm done with you.
You are confessed. You never see anything. You are taking a hand bite. You are saying you are taking big bite.
I can't come and kill myself.
That one a lazy man talk. Now lazy youth now go see person write better capacity. You say that one a ritualist. Now he dey for here so. See him mouth.
What did my mouth do to you?
Oh boy. See,
Don't talk much when you are eating.
table manner no dey here.
Concentrate. Table.
There's no table manner here. When did you write it?
But let me enjoy my food, jejely. If you like, do big bites.
And bites.
Leave me and my aunt bite. Leave me and my aunt bite alone. I'm not even doing big bite challenge with you.
Take your
Okay?
time. Take your time.
Because I know you will win the go.
Maybe the winner.
You are not always the winner.
The
The noodles we did. Or you want to do it again?
It's not you. You are not the boss. The viewers, they are the boss. So they're going to be the one that will tell us, hey guys, this is what I want. So we'll do it. Not you.
Okay. Guys, I won him in the noodles challenge. So he should not come and make maths for me. I also won.
1-1.
I also won.
I told you who laughed the best, right? Maybe one of these days we're going to do one. Eating something without water.
Eating spicy.
No spices on
That's
it. You want to kill me.
spicy.
No, you're not good at that. Anything spicy.
It's only spicy that we do without the water. That will be interesting.
That you want to win me, right? Let me see this. Wow, man. Delicious.
So nice.
We don't talk much. We come, we win, we destroy them, and we conquer.
Because you win now.
Which one now?
Don't worry. The next one I might be the winner.
Which one? You. They should come up with something. Not you. Because you know where to go. You know the kind of stuff you will come up with that you will win. So let them commit on it, see what they want. Then let's see. So that you know be the game plan now.
So guys, what video idea do you have for us? Leave it in the comment section.
Yeah.
You say I should not be the game planner.
No. they could be the game plan. You know how the techniques of doing things. So they will be the plan and everything. Yeah. What? You take your time.
Do you know? I just allow you to win.
That one a poor man talk.
I just allow you
That
to
one a
win.
poor man talk, you know. I thought you were lazy, but no. You even upgrade past that one. You allow me to win.
Because this egusi soup is too delicious to rush.
You know when you beat someone to the ground, you always find excuses. They say, pikin wey no get power, na they tell the brother say, daddy say boy no fly for farm o. So that's what you're doing now.
So that is why I allow you to win.
You know the truth, honey. This is what you're good at. I pray one day your teeth will not follow the bones out.
It won't.
I didn't eat anything.
That big bite you are taking
Me taking big bite.
is my tummy director.
Me taking big bite, guys. Yeah.
I don't stress myself to eat. I eat gently. No problem. You won today.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, I might win.
You are not even sure.
So-
I know I will win. I will always the winner. You're not sure.
You are not always the winner because I won you first.
In that hellfire idol, that you call that Korea be what?
Guys, thank you all so much for watching.
Yes.
Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please hit the red button that says subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified, okay? See you all in our next video. For now,
Thank you for watching.
stay blessed. Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.